How to add admin to your Facebook page. Hello and welcome back. In order to do so, you may follow out these steps. So you can basically head over to your Facebook page directly. If you're not switched over to your Facebook page, just go ahead and switch it up. And look out for your profile in the top right corner, or look out for professional dashboard once you're in your page, and open up the professional dashboard. So once you are in the professional dashboard, on the home page, you will directly find an option called page recommendation under page status. Go ahead and look for it and look out for it and open it up. And once you do, here it will give you these options, including the option called manage admins. So all you gotta do is simply find this option right here, go ahead and click on it. And once you do, you can look out for this option called people with Facebook access. Just go ahead and click on add new, and here click on next, read this if you prefer, and you can just go ahead and add the person or the people that you would like to give the access to, and just follow the prompts. And you can even give task as access for the admin. Look out for add new right beside it, and you can just go ahead and click on next and follow the prompts to add them up, and that way you can do so. You can even add community managers who can monitor chat comments, suspend or remove people. So you can look out for the manage option and do so. In that way you can add or manage your admins on your Facebook page following this way. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.